Halika na mga kakusina, tayo na't matuto. Halika na mga kakusina, tayo na't magluto. Kusina mo, from my kitchen to yours. Kusina mo, from my kitchen to yours.
Magandang araw mga kakusina. May nag-request sa ating mga kasamahan na maggawa raw tayo ngayon ng burung mangga. Paano daw ginagawa yung authentic way ng paggagawa ng burung mangga? Saan ang mangga natin? Ay naku, wala pala. Hintay muna kayo at ako'y bibili muna ng mangga sa market. Kita tayo mamayang konti. Gumagawa na pala. Gumagawa ng aking apo. Panuorin natin.
Hi! Hey, Julia. Today we're gonna make pickled mango. So we're gonna need mango, water, 1.5 tablespoons of salt, and 1/3 cups of sugar. White sugar. I'm just gonna need to wash the mango first. I'm not sure if it was watch. No, I'm gonna get the tissue. Next, I'm gonna get a peeler and peel the mango. It's all peeled. And then now we're gonna peel it a little bit more. We're gonna peel it a little bit more. Pickled mangoes. You don't use an Indian mango. We also don't use a knife. If you have a knife, you could peel it with it and you can cut it into strips. You can have the peeler. You could use a peeler. You have to be careful, or else you're gonna cut. Once you're done, you're gonna set this aside. Now we're gonna set aside the peeled mango and get our other ingredients. So we're gonna need 1/3 cup of sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of salt, and 1.5 cups of water. So we're gonna put them all in here. Then afterwards, we're gonna boil it in a low-medium fire for 5 minutes. I'll stir it for once a while. We'll do this for 5 minutes. So let's just stir it once a while while mixing. turn it off and let it cool. And then you arrange the mangoes inside the jar, and then afterwards put your mixture inside. Let it smoke. Let it smoke! While we're letting the mixture cool, we're gonna put the mango in the jar. We put it in the jar and then we do this. A jar. Because I win! Like, can I literally fit more? The little question. Dahil hindi na ako na nabigay ito. Now, once it's cooled and the mangoes are arranged, we have to put the mixture inside the jar. I think that's enough. Now we have to wait for 4 days. After 4 days of refrigerating, this is what it looks like. Now we can eat it. To taste our product, I have my special guest to taste it, which is Lola. This is pickled mango. Can I try one?
Yaman?
You like it?
I like it, yeah. Sarap.
This is pickled mango, right from Lola's kitchen to yours. Thank you for watching, and bye.